So I got my 4 TB hard drive today. It came perfectly fine in its package. I did all this when I opened it. So basically all you do is just plug it in, hook it up, plug it into the USB port you want it in, to whatever Xbox, USB. And then give it like a minute or two, something should pop up on your Xbox, something looking something should pop up looking like this. It's going to ask you to if you read it, it will clearly explain. Let me turn off this light. You just read it. It should tell you if you want to use it for pictures and some other stuff like that, or do you want to format it for storage for video games and apps and stuff, like games and apps. And you just go over to format storage. The light will blink on that for a little bit, and just give it 2 to 5 minutes, and then something should pop up saying all ready to use for storage. And it's going to ask you to put a name for it too, but since I already did it, you didn't see that part, but you could just rename it from here and stuff. And also, it says 4 TB on it. Yeah, it's 4 TB, but it comes as 3.6 TB out of 3. That makes no sense to me. But what I think is that there's probably some extra stuff on here, some extra memory on here that uses for when they program it, and that programming takes up some of the space. But I feel like it's somewhat a scam, because they tell you 4 TB and you get 3.6 TB. I don't know, that's just how I'm looking at it. If y'all have a different view on that, that's y'all. But that's it. That's all I gotta say.
Alright, I'm gonna unplug this and plug it back in one more time. We'll see if anything happens. Now it says it needs to finish installing. Go to my queue. Clearly nothing is installing. So we'll try a different game. Everything just needs to finish installing, apparently.